Because what is Eid without Eid pictures?
Yes, your body risky.
Auntie Adiza, she cause disaster. Her body mad, in fact, go Madagascar. Ask ya.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explode.
So how it has lifted my cheeks like a baby. That's looking like a baby.
Me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some head.
It's been a long time. Yeah, me too. Always in paradise. Once they buy yam, it's like nobody is there. It's fast or something. What? Like it's open. What? And you took it. That's the one you get to. That's what the man said. Some of them buy like the yogurt and things. What's going on? Hey, that is good. And what? How much? 25. 525. 25. We are now at Linda Door. We came to buy some stuff. Do you know we didn't go to the washroom? So we are going back to our bars because we are done buying what we need to buy. But I just feel like if we went to the washroom it will help. Anyway, I don't feel because me near for
truths. Ain't no answers in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a.
What she gave us the pill?
Peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. What a healing, don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul.
Beaten by the rain on my face. We just got to Ejoso. We are heading home back. It's raining, so it took right there. We should just see. Maybe one of the women are here, they will sell to us all. My mom says we should buy dry fish for her, but the way it's raining, we can't buy. all this?
They are big. They feel our car like this.
The girls clubbing party. Are you an HR professional at Lisa Hotel Accra? Register today at 822-456 or 030 824-058.
Let's go. I think they're about to finish. So we are going for aerobics. Let's go and stand behind Mama. Fit. Who is that? Hey, uncle.
Thank you for coming.
I'm sweaty. Hi guys, we are done with the workouts. Is it workouts? Aerobics. Hey, Charlie. Anyway, so this dawn rather, last night actually, my mom mentioned that today we would be going for aerobics, and we decided to join because the last time we joined it was fun. And now to that I'm a gym girly, I was like, bring it on. We'll be in town a lot, we'll be doing a lot of things. So let's see how it goes. I don't know what these two people are still doing there. If I also had a car, like I'll put my things inside and be selling. Oh, this life never balance. So good. Hey guys, so we went to my mom's office to go and drop a plant and also check her stuff there. So we are now heading to my little sister's hostel. After that, we'll go to China Mall and town. I would update you. I don't know if the DJI doesn't go off, then I'll record with my phone, but I'll be updating you on everything. I want to be talking more in my vlogs, so you enjoy me talking to you. And I also want to I want to bring back the sit down videos. So I want to start talking more in my videos and less of showing a lot of things, because I don't even want to add music to the videos anymore, like not much, just a little music. So I would want to be talking more in my vlogs, so you get used to me talking, so you enjoy my vlogs, because I've realized I don't talk a lot in my vlogs. Since I started YouTube, I don't really talk much in my vlogs. So now that I have a camera, a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I'm not even recording people. Anyway, let's go. But we've not eaten breakfast too. So what are we eating? Coco Azumi. Don't worry. If I finish with the Coco Azumi, go to Auntie. We're going to pay home for Papa. Currently at Tech Junction. We are going to buy what? Okay, we can't sit down. We are currently at Tech Junction. We are going to buy wachi. Ah, yeah, I remember. Aish. Dancer. I see the lights in it. You're so chewing your gum. Wow, he was a handsome young man. This what you did.
No, me, I'm not mixing it.
Me too, I'm not mixing it.
Because there's still rice plenty.
Oh, but the pay is nice.
Very, very. I should have bought one for home. Hi
guys, we just got to China Mall. We are going to buy some items, but my DJI is going off, so I might. What? The bag? I wanna go. get a cereal. Hey, let me tell you.
There is a lot going on. There is a lot going on.
So yeah, then we are going
But
home.
it's not necessarily that you have to write a book.
Yeah, we wanted to go to Edum, that's the market, but because of the time, so tired. Like my social battery is dead, and my lens, I can't find my lens, so my eyes are also hurting me. Like, oh my god, I just want to go home. Let's go home, eh? My head. See how red my eyes are. Somebody tonight. Hi guys, so today is Eid day and we are now preparing. Today we are going to pray at KNUST. So we woke up very early, prayed Fajr and started prepping. I just finished ironing my abaya. Everyone is wearing abaya today. I'll show you details soon, but this is me greeting you. And I don't know, every Eid I get sick. I'm not saying it's a good thing, but every Eid, it's either I'm sick or I'm not praying. Yesterday, I had this bad, I don't know if it's cold or it's just an allergy. It was so bad, so I had to go and get drugs. And this morning, I am fine. So, I am going to bath, then just get ready and then we'll set off. I'm just here to greet you and let you know that today is Eid and just to give you an intro before the vlog officially starts. So, this is me signing out and I'll see you.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What a grass smell great.
The other time, I didn't think that my car was stopped. One of our lecturers gave me. He said that. No, no, the boat. Hey, yeah, I was not cold. Yeah, it's far.
Yeah, you're late too.
I don't run you for.
Let's roll it here, roll it here. Hey, you be trouble. We are now taking pictures for Eid because what is Eid without Eid pictures? Okay, thank you.
I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we go ring it right back.
Uncle Scoop Papa say how
The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cut, hun. Something like the duck running. I ain't come-
Yes, Malta Guinness. Malta Guinness.
One full leg and add.
Look here. Look up. Peace. Peace. And I who has called you? Who has called you? I am eating tangerine from the gardens. They are ripe now. So I'm eating them. Now do we even have eggs?
You want to cook some?